plenty of time.
So you know everything.
It's a kind of habit for me because sitting there and the garden is so beautiful, and the building you're surrounded with the buildings. Yeah.
Say your name, you're the fire and the flame. I wanna shower you with my affection. Like the moon against the sea, all the way you move with me. I even see you in my own reflection.
On the internet, dollar rates come and euro rates. No pictures. And then there is Muslim restaurant, which many of you have been there. It's really famous for its good food, but I think it has a little problem that you can't find a place to sit easily. And all the time there are people standing in front of your table that they're waiting and watching you to finish. And that's not so comfortable, you know?
Yeah. Are you just eating with full mouth?
Walking others, looking.
And they're just standing in front of you to finish, and they want to
Finish دیگه بابا.
finish دیگه.
Persian, it means a marketplace district in a Persian town. And then it went to the Arabic language. Souk is a synonym of that in Arabic language, and also in North Africa and in India. In Indian, Bazaar means a store, but in English it's a variety of stores, a group of stores together that sell a variety of things, and it can also be for charity reasons.
Yesterday was my first experience.
Yeah,
and
it's always fun.
Clothing that I showed them. This is
dynasty. He had a battle with Agha Muhammad Khan, and he lost. He managed to flee, but then he was caught and he was brought to Agha Muhammad Khan, and Agha Muhammad Khan tortured him to death.
Oh,
As a matter of fact.
So kind of Game of Thrones.
Exactly. The real one. The real one. You know, I think Agha Muhammad